Hello, in this video we're going to share some tips on how to assemble and attach your leaf into your table. But before we get started, just make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver, so let's get into it. Just a quick disclaimer, these tips don't cover every step, so make sure you follow the instructions and complete all the steps in order. The first thing you want to do on this step is just make sure these holes on these pieces are facing inwards, and then when they're in, just make sure these dowels are all on the same side, and we'll be good to move on by screwing in these pieces. All right, now that they're all tight, we can move on to putting it into the table. Now we'll show you how to insert the leaf into the table. And the first thing you need to do is undo the latches under the table. And then with the second person's help, you can pull the table apart. Then with the leaf, you just need to make sure that the dowels are facing the part of the table with no dowels. And then you can put one side in, and then with the second person's help again, we can push the table together. And then do all 4 latches. All right, there we go. Your leaf is now in. We hope this video was helpful for you, and for more tips, tricks, and guides, go to walkeredison.com.